how I would start a dropshipping in 2026. Let me guess. You have seen these gurus. They are selling that money making is very easy. Maybe you saw this kind of viral title on YouTube. Look at this YouTube, look at this Google, you saw. Everyone will try to click on that. So you have maybe even a tier A store and it's get zero sales. You hire freelancer, spend $200 and spend $1,000 and ads, and then hire agency to make it continue, and then by the end of the day sales is zero and then your business is paid, right? Look at my client product. This is one of my client. He's very tired. He started organic marketing. Currently, as you can see, it's totally zero sale. Look at this, there is zero sale. He's spending lot of organic marketing, but by the end of the day he's not getting sale. And sometimes he even started marketing, but we are not getting any sale. So what if I told you that the game have been completely changed, and that is 2026. The old day dropshipping is a one-way ticket to failure. You might seen this kind of vlog, this kind of and this way people explaining, oh, does this dropshipping work like that? By the end of the day, this is totally wrong. So stick with me for next 10 minutes only. Look at their product page, guys. How clean is that? So if you click and the right click, whenever someone hover, and then there is the option to right click, and they have a very good option like review. So when someone click on that, it's taking to the review. That's actually 100% build trust. So if you can make this kind of review section in your website, I'm gonna talk about later. Just stay on the video. And then they're very great way. They're actually adding the image and then all these things. So if I check the response, let's look at their response. Very important thing like that actually attract people attention. That is review. That's very important. Look at their responsive design. This subscription option, one-time purchase option. That's really amazing. So I will show you the exact step-by-step blueprint. So I would use to start dropshipping from scratch. So by the end of the video, guys, you have only 3 things. Number 1, the product mindset. It's very important. And number 2, the store blueprint. And number 3, the profit engine. First, the new way of find product that are people desperate to buy. Second, how to build a store that doesn't like a scam, but a brand people trust instantly. But a dropshipping store people never trust instantly if you make like a scammer. Look at this bit. Only homepage only showing just a basic product. Just think about why they will actually getting people will buy their product. Just think about that. And look at this brand. How clean is that? When people will come, they will feel that, oh, I must need the product. I will buy. Even this brand actually showing how to use their product. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. All type of video I want to show these people. Like, teach your people, teach your customer how to use product, how to use your brand product. I hope guys you got. And guys, look at this brand. He actually not promoting a brand. He just only design a store that actually people see, oh, is this good, is this bad? Just only think about. They will never buy. As you can see, there's showing some AI generated image and icon. People never feel trust with this product, and then they will never buy. But look at this design. But they actually the first banner they actually showing this like use my product, only promoting one clean product, and then at the end people actually showing the clean design and only showing this send tier third. Okay, so this showing the best selling product they want to show, and then at the end they're actually showing their product, user generated product, user generating content people really trust. So now let's talk about third number. The third number is the traffic method. What I'm telling, let me tell you again, the traffic method, that's very important. And the traffic that doesn't work with old Facebook ads. So you have to learn something new. I will show you everything, just watch my full video. Let's make biggest shift that you need to make. Step number 1, the 2026 product mindset. Stop looking winning product. Start looking for problem product. Like, look at this product. 99% people are need this product because every day baby actually need this kind of product. That's why, like, look at this, the number #best Amazon product seller. So you have to research this way so that no one actually find this product before you. Okay, so I hope you completely got it, what kind of product you need to find out. So a problem product is one that solve a specific visible pain point for real person. Guys, look at the image. So someone actually struggling to set up him PC. So he actually facing a lot of issues. So you need to think about that. How I can fix him problem by specific product. So you can come to the chat GPT and then you can say something like, let's look at this. I search this person facing to problem to set up their PC. So which product can solve him problem? Let's search chat GPT. Let's see chat GPT what giving us. So the first product we find the cable management box. So I'm gonna copy. So I search it on Google because I find this product that actually solving the problem. So just I have given you an example so that actually you can know actually how to find a winning product, how you can solve a specific triple problem. So if you look at the product, as you can see that this product actually, this system, they make a system so that customer actually fix their problem by this product. And also your goal have to be to find an active community, and on this community try to listen their frustration. Every day they actually share their frustration, and then if you see some of the like biggest frustration people share every single day, and take out one of the problem and then go with that. So you can go on Reddit, people actually solving how actually they are organized and set up their bathroom and all this stuff they're actually showing. You can go somewhere to research, and then you need to see where, as you can see, they're actually showing advice, and then also they are showing people sharing their problem, and then if you take one of the problem and then you can solve their problem. So this way you can find your specific problem and then you can solve the specific problem. Okay, so I want to give you one specific tips that's very important. Don't just browse on Reddit. So use search like site reddit.com, and then at the end you sell the product, and then you paste your product name, and then you can try to find the specific product. So guys, look at this. I searched like site.reddit.com, and then there I am trying to paste my problem. So if you paste this kind of problem, like what kind of problem you want to fix, you have to paste on over here this problem, and you will find goldmine of people bringing from solution. Like for example, if I search, let's see the cutter all of them. So I search site.reddit.com and take support. So if I enter it, let's see what kind of result we get. So we will get some support that everyday people actually posting on their platform. So this way you can find the product. That's really important, guys. So many people actually mistake the one of the biggest mistake, like picking a product that actually like look like a cool and amazing. Cool doesn't sell. Amazing looking product doesn't sell that are actually solve a problem. What if my product is more of want than a need? The answer pretty simple. Frame it as a need. A decorative lamp isn't neat, but a mode lighting for your home office reduce eye strength. So build an instant branded store. So that is step 2. It's very important. 99% people actually making a lot of mistake with that. Like whenever they are creating their store, lot of mistake they're making. So you restore not like a catalog. It is your first and only chance to build trust. Guys, look at hindsight. Is it good? Just showing some of the product, and is, as you can see, too much big. People not gonna scroll like that. As you can see, they're actually showing only product. This is a not professional thing. They don't have a review, don't have a FAQ section, don't have a email capture, don't have a pop-up, nothing actually have. So people never gonna go at the very bottom to find their review. As you can see, how long is this website? So you should keep like a, for example, I want to give you an example. First, you can keep like a hero section. It should attention your customer, it should attention your people, and then after that you should keep some collection, because people should know what kind of type of product exactly you are selling. And then you can keep something like which product actually you want to focus, and then you can keep front of the second section. In the third section you should keep the feature product, and fourth section you should keep like a banner. This banner might have a like offer, and then this banner should have something like that build trust of your customer. So in 2026, trust is very valuable currency for your business, for everything. Guys, look at their brand. They're actually showing their product that they want to focus, that actually take attention. People think I want to buy this product, and when someone actually like this product, like for example they want to buy this product, at this point they will click the shop now. So and after that they actually showing the very first this product. That means why they actually clicking the shop now, because they want to buy this product. But if someone click on the shop now, if they see the different product without this, why he gonna buy your product? At this point he will never buy your product. So you need to focus this kind of stuff. So in your home page have only 3 seconds to convince a visitor to stay. Most of them people are fail. So here's the how you can pass the test. Guys, every single time I'm trying to show this brand, because this brand actually generating $10 million a month. If you don't believe, I will show you the results in future videos. So look at this brand. So they actually have a clean hero banner. So they actually showing their product, their everything, and then after that, as I told you before, they're showing collection, what kind of product actually they are selling. So after that they actually keep it some banner that actually build trust. As you can see, they're actually showing reviews. Someone click on that, it will take to their review. They have a lot of reviews, that's why people will read, and then by the end of the day people will say, wow, they have a lot of reviews, that means I need to buy this product. They have almost 7k review, guys, think about that. And when they scroll down a little bit, they will see that why I need to buy their product, and then they actually mention something, and then also at the end they're showing their review. That's pretty much important with their current customer lifestyle photo, and then also at the end they're showing that how to use their product. This is also so much important. And guys, everywhere they actually keeping the call to action to buy their product, like add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, this kind of step. And whenever someone go to the product page, there is a very important thing that is called the subscription. So they can buy product by subscription, they can buy one-time purchase, they can buy subscription purchase. It's very important because everyone need this product. And then look at the how clean their brand image and looks, everything. They actually making $10 million a month because they actually make their website looks like a brand. That's why people trust, and that's why people buy their product. So I want to give you one very pro tips, like your headline shouldn't say what you sell, so it should say what problem you actually solving for your customer. It's very important, guys. Tidly Dex Clear Mind is better than Dex Organized for Scale. So if you can keep your headline like that, like think about that, people will say that this store, this brand actually solved this specific problem that I want to solve. So the mistake I want to share with you, actually people making on the homepage, overloading the top fold with a dozen different product. You need a one clear hero. And also so many people actually asking me, but what if I sell multiple product category? The answer is pretty simple and straightforward. Your hero section should focus on the lifestyle you enable, not the individual product. So try to sell the destination, not the flight. So now I want to talk about step number 3, the product page design that actually convert. This is where you make the money. Most product page are crime scenes. Guys, look at their product. Suppose this is my final product. So what 99% people are doing in the product page, they actually copy the entire description this way. They actually copy the entire description, and then if I click the view more, like this way, they actually copy whole description. And they come to the product and then click on the add to cart. So when they click on the add to product, they actually directly paste the description. Look at this. So they actually pasting all the image and description. This way they actually adding their title. So the thing is, you are not reselling product. So you are selling this solution. You warp it around it. So now I want to talk about this solution focused description. Ditch the boring bullet point. Tell a mini story. And now I want to give you extra few tips that are pro tips, not only tips. So try to film your 50-second video of you using the product to solve a problem. So user generated content, best stock photo every single time. So now I want to give you some of the mistake that people are making, so you shouldn't make this kind of mistake. So using all the manufacturing image, buy the product and try to take your own photo. It's non-negotiable for building trust. So most of the common question I hear a lot of time, how long should be description be? So the answer is as long as it needs. So to be a overcome every single objection a buyer might have. That usually means 300 to 500 words. So now let's talk about step number 4 in 2026 traffic engine. Forget what you know about running ads to cold audience. So it's a money pit. So in 2026, try to start with the content, especially problem solving content. Because you can start with this type of content that actually solving problem, then if you actually showing how your product solving a specific problem, and then create organic content. So you can like keep content like, for example, so my secret is perfect humo fish. So if you can make a content like that, just think about that. People will watch, and then people will build your trust with your brand. And don't try to sell, and try to help with your content. That scale will follow. So create a pain point video for every single solution video. For every this is our product video, make there this is the problem video first. So the mistake people making, they actually create a video and then upload one video and then see not views and they give up. Consistency build asset and your audience that you own forever, unlike an ad account. So I have one question, like everyone say that I have one question. What if I had a Bing on camera? So the answer is use the screen recording and faceless B-roll and the animation that medium matters less than the message. Now let's talk about step number 5, the system for scaling. Once you have the store that convert and content that attract, only then do you add paid fuel. But you are not targeting cold interest, so you are targeting your own warm audience. This is how you build a real sustainable business, not one product wonder. So in 2026, blueprint is very simple, but it's not easy. It's required shift from reseller to become a problem solver. Now if you are watching this and you thinking this makes sense, but I don't have the time to design a skill, to build a store that trust. And my team and I at Creative Web Boost, we specialize in exact that. So if you are serious to starting right now to dropshipping store or in 2026, visit creativeweboost.com and see how we can build your assets together. But even if you don't take those principles and apply them, the old way of dropshipping is dead, but the new way is more powerful than ever. Now go build something great. Now if this video helpful, so you know what to do, I don't have to tell you anything else. And lastly, I want to tell you thank you for watching this video so far, and then if you have any question, go to my agency website. You can message me by clicking live chat, and then you can directly access my all the social media. As you can see, all the social media available, but for the first response you can message me on WhatsApp, or if you don't have a time for now, you can go to the start a book a call, and then you can book a call with me. I can definitely help you to build your professional store in 2026. That's